Hello techies, this is lab 13.1.7 lab and we are going to deal with users and group. So as an IT administrator, you are tasked with setting up a computer in the support office. It will be used by 3 employees each with unique roles and responsibility. Sylvia needs to be able to perform all actions on the computer. Scott needs to be able to back up and restore files but should not have any other right above those of a normal user. While Jed needs normal access to start the computer, run applications and save files. All users are automatically assigned to the users group when an account is created. Alright, so in this lab, your task is to create their user account and add them to the appropriate groups as follow. So let's get started. So we'll go to the start menu and we want to scroll down to computer management and open it. Then we'll go to users and click on this. Then we'll go ahead and impute the name. And the first name we have here is going to be Sylvia. So we'll type in Sylvia here. And then we impute password. We'll confirm password again. So we'll go ahead and impute the second name, Scott, and we'll go over to the password area and impute the password. So we create the third and the last name, Jed. We go over to the password area. We impute the password and we confirm the password also. Okay, so we're done here. So we'll close this and we'll go over there and check, and as you can see that one of them is still remaining. We're going to assign group membership. Okay, so we assign group membership for Sylvia and then Scott. So let's continue working. We'll go over to groups and we'll go over to administrators, and you want to select add group, and we'll go over to add and impute Sylvia. And we'll go ahead and apply and click OK. So go over to backup operation, right click on it, then go to add group, and we want to add Scott. So we'll go ahead and click OK, and then we'll go ahead and apply and we click OK. Alright, so we'll go ahead and check our answers again and everything is correct. If you find this video to be helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you need further assistance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.